What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted a video. I want to apologize. I've been working on my house pretty much with all my on all my spare time, and that's why I haven't really been able to film videos. So I've been doing a lot of shorts and stuff like that, but today I'm bringing you a real video. As you guys know, I have the IGLA security system on my truck, which is basically you need a pin to start the truck. So that's my first level of defense, besides the factory alarm, which I don't even know how that works because I never hear it go off even when it's locked and I try to open it. I don't know. So I'm thinking about doing something with that with the future, but today we're going to talk about this bad boy, and this is called a Carlock. So right off the bat, on the front of it, it says it's advanced real-time car tracker and alert system. On the back, it says work and sleep without worry. Carlock monitors your vehicle and alerts you on your phone when your vehicle is moved, when the engine starts, if unusual vibration is detected, and even if the device is disconnected. It's a virtual mechanic, so it monitors your vehicle health and alerts you in advance if your car battery is running dangerously low or is experiencing high battery drain. It's actually kind of cool. And it says it's also like a GPS on steroids. It says included is detailed trip tracking, which allows you to monitor where your car has been, whether your car is stolen or a trusted driver is going off course. You'll know. That's actually pretty damn cool. And it says it works on all cars manufactured since 1996, and it says no tools required. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I mean, I haven't done much. So they sent me this, the actual tracker that you plug into the OBD2 port, and they also sent me this, which it's a power cable, so basically you can hook it up to your battery. So if you don't want to hook it up to your OBD2 port, you can do it this way, which I probably will do in the future. Like I said, I haven't really had too much time, but I might do this in the future. But for now, I'm just gonna plug it in there and rock it that way. So I haven't done much. The only thing I've done is basically just download the app. There goes my GPS. So all I did so far was basically just set up my app. They send you an activation card, which has the serial number and activation code. So that's all I've done. I basically just registered the device. It's not registered, like, I don't have, this is like showing California, I think, or something. Yeah, I don't know what it's showing. I don't think it's New York. No. So basically it's just showing a different location because I haven't plugged it in yet, so it's kind of got to, you know, register itself. So we're gonna do that now. So I'm gonna open this up. It's kind of hard with one hand, but I think we can manage. So here we go. There's the activation card I was talking about. On the back is going to be the serial number and activation card. I'm not going to show you that because, you know, that's my info. And basically you open it up and here it is. So there it is, Carlock. There's that. Now let's see if we can plug this in. All right, so obviously I'm blind. It's literally right here. I don't know if you can really see it right there, right next to the light. So I'm gonna plug this in. I believe it goes this way. So there we go, it's plugged in. I don't know if it's just because of the Ram truck it's like that. It just sits out like that. I don't know if that'll get annoying. I don't think it would. So it's plugged in. I don't think it's annoying. But once I plugged it in, there you go. It says learning mode in progress. I believe I have to drive around a little bit. Oh, so it does take a little while. So it says learning mode. For a Carlock device to fully adapt to your location, behavior, usage, it can take up to 7 days, several trips. Please note that after your device is connected, you will not see your car's location immediately. It usually takes less than 5 minutes to set up, or up to 24 hours, depending on how quickly the device can connect to GPS satellites. Okay. All right, so you know what? I'm gonna go drive around, see if it picks it up. So yeah, basically, yeah, this device is GPS tracking. It does trip logs and vehicle monitoring, plus the security features, which is what we actually want it for. Yeah, so let me see if I can get this connected. I'm gonna go for a drive. It says go for a drive to get valid GPS location, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, truck is on. Put on my seatbelt. And let's start driving. Let's see if it picks it up. Let's move this stuff out of the way. All right, here we go. So since it kind of sticks out right there, I think I'm gonna get it hardwired to the battery. That way it's kind of like hidden, and people probably won't be looking that location. So I figure that's probably best bet for some added security. So I'll probably do that when I go get something else installed, which I do have some other stuff coming up. So just stay tuned for that. And let's see if this is picking anything up yet. All right, so it's actually picking up where I'm at. It already, I see like my location and stuff like that. I am on Sunrise Highway. So it already did pick it up pretty quick. All right, so I pulled into another parking lot. So it is picking it up where it is. Like I said, I don't really like this setup. I mean, it's kind of dark in here. Let me see if I get some light. So I don't like how this is just sitting there. I mean, I feel like anyone could just see that. And plus, I don't know if it's gonna bother my leg. I think it's just the Ram truck. I believe other OBD2 ports are like kind of like in here, hidden. So that's why I'm gonna hardwire it. And I'm gonna hardwire it just so it's kind of by the battery. When people break into these trucks, all they're trying to do is really copy the key and then, you know, try to get it started as possible. They're not going, you know, popping the hood, trying to go to buy the battery and stuff like that. So I feel like that's added security, which I'm definitely going to do. So let's talk about some of these main features. Let's see how this works. So this is kind of cool. Like if you already look at it, it shows, I guess it shows you how much miles per hour it's going, the travel time, how far I've went. So yeah, I didn't go too far. I literally just went from one parking lot to another. But that's pretty cool. All right, so now let's test out these features. There should be 4 main security notifications: when the engine started, the vehicle moved, and vibration detection. All right, so that was unlocked. So now I locked it. So maybe this is when you start seeing stuff. So let's see what happens if I disconnect it. So I'm gonna try to disconnect it right here. Oh wow, look at that. Look how quick it came up. It just sent it all. There you go. Look at that. Device disconnected, critical. It gives you a big alarm. I like that. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's start the truck. It's on. Let's see if we get a notification on this. There we go. All right, we got it. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty well. It says engine started. So that's pretty cool. So if your engine turns on, it tells you. Now let's see if, so it took a little while for it to show up, but it could be part of the learning process too. Maybe it takes a little while for it to, you know, kind of get used to how your engine starts and stuff like that. So hopefully within time, that time will decrease. And now let's see if we get a moving warning. So I'm gonna go for a drive. So I believe the unlock means it won't give you any warnings because you're in the truck. So unlock means like I guess anything kind of goes. But then when you lock it, you can see it, this orange circle. So I believe the vehicle moved will pop up once I get out of that circle. So let me try to get out of here. And we'll try to get that warning going. So I'm gonna try to drive, get out of that, try to get out of this little circle that I'm in, and we'll see if it tells me the vehicle moved. All right, so we're almost out of the circle. You can see we're almost out of there. All right, so we're still driving. We're about to get out soon. Let's see if we get a warning. Look at that. says vehicle moved. So that's what the unlock and lock do. So when you're unlocked, you can see you're just in a white circle. So that must mean that, you know, you don't get any warnings. You're kind of in the car, you're not looking for any notifications. And then once you lock it, the vehicle's got to stay within that circle. But it's, I mean, you also got to think about it. It tells you when the engine started, and it tells you when the device is disconnected. So I mean, these are awesome like features to have. I'm honestly very impressed with this thing. This is pretty damn cool. And I believe there's one more main notification warning. It's vibration detected. So I don't know how we're gonna get that one. I don't know if I just shake the truck and it'll go off, but we'll try to check that out right now. All right, guys, so we got 3 of the 4 security notifications. Now we're gonna try to get the last one, which is vibration. I'm not sure exactly how to get it, but probably closing a door or hitting on the window. So let's see what happens there. Slam the door. And there you go. You get that vibration detected alert. So that's all 4 of the main alerts. So very happy with this. If you guys are interested in this, I do have a discount code. It is LagoTRX10 to get 10% off. And I believe the website is carlock.co, and they do sell these on Amazon. So if you're interested, definitely go check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna have a basically like an update video coming up of, you know, where I've been, what I've been doing. The truck has definitely changed since I've done you know, some videos, but definitely stay tuned. And definitely check out this Carlock Co. Well, just Carlock. Yeah, just check out this Carlock security device. It's definitely added protection, like you guys seen in videos. I'm sure I see it all over like Instagram. I mean, these cars are being stolen so quickly, so I mean, to have another device that just kind of helps you out and gives you notifications and just makes it a little bit harder for these criminals to steal your Mopar, I think is definitely worth it. You can't put a price tag on that. So yeah, definitely check out Carlock, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.